colors. They're all gone.
Meow.
This golden mushroom holds a great power, but I'm not sure I can protect it. You are the key, child. Be safe, my dear. I will, grandmother. I have to.
Here, let me help you with that plank.
Thank you so much. Here is some soup to warm you, my dear. Thank you, sweet child. You are so kind. Looks delicious. Enjoy your meal. Press it gently, like this. Wow, it glows. That's right. Keep going. Look at the kitten chasing the lights. Thank you all. We're happy to help. Let's light the rest. Look, they're glowing even brighter. Happy Monsoon Festival, everyone. Thank you, sister.